Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we use OBS Studio for recording video, how can we navigate within the OBS Studio, and at the end, I will discuss few of the important settings within the OBS Studio. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to learn OBS Studio efficiently. Let's dive in. First thing first, I will head over to internet to install OBS Studio. So I will go to the obsproject.com website, hit enter, and it will take you straight to the OBS Open Broadcaster software website. So I will install according to my version. I will install the Windows one, but you can choose the Mac one or Linux one according to your operating system. So I will click on this one, Windows, and it will start downloading in my system on top right hand side. You can see that. So once it's downloaded and when I open it, I will meet you again. I'm back. So after installation, when I first time open the OBS Studio, so this is the very first thing I need to select. It's asking me optimize for streaming, recording. It is secondary, or you optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming. So it depends on the use. So for example, I'm just using it for my recording purpose. So I will select this one, but don't worry, you can change this setting later on as well. So I will go to next, and then it's asking me the resolution, so I'm okay with this resolution. And fps again, I would like to keep it to 60. It helps, it basically tells how smooth the recording or the video will be. So I will go to next, and then I will just say apply setting, and it will apply my initial setting. So I will just maximize its resolution. So this is the very first layout when you first time install and go into the OBS project. So this is the very first time thing you'll see. Next, I would say yeah, it is a bit horrible, but let me just discuss with you one by one. First thing first, first I will go to the bottom left hand side and select my scene. Scene is, if you have like more than one monitor, you need to select which monitor you need to record. So but I only using one monitor, so I will just keep this scene as it is. I can rename it by right click and rename. I can change its name to recording, and I can add another scene as well by clicking the plus button. So I will add another monitor if I have more than one monitor. But for this tutorial, I'm just using one monitor. The next important thing is source. What is the display you want to capture within that monitor? So I will go to plus, and then I'll go to display capture. Now it's asking me the name, so I'm okay with this display capture name. Press OK. And now it's asking me capture method. So capture method is automatic, and display capture. I will select my monitor, and this is the file I open in my monitor. So it's showing that file. So the OBS Studio will record whatever happened in this file when the recording is on. So I'm okay because I want to record in this file. Press OK. And now this file has been selected. And the next thing is, if I want to record my sound from mic as well, so I will go to plus button, and then I will go to the audio input capture. So I will go to this, press OK, and now I will select my device. My device is, this is microphone Jabra. So I will select this one, press OK. Now my mic has been selected. Next thing is, so if I want the OBS Studio to record the sound coming out from the speaker of my monitor. So again, I will go to plus button and go to the audio output capture. Click on this one. Again, press OK, and I will select my speakers. So in this case, my speakers are this one, audio device. Press OK. And now my mic and my speakers has been selected. I can adjust the volume from here. So you can see if it's showing towards the green side, so that's fine. This is the high and low volume button. I can use that for the audio input capture, the audio output capture. I can adjust the volume as well. So this is the option you can adjust, and it's all good to go. So I can start recording this screen. Let's head over to some of the settings to see what are appropriate settings. So I will go to File, and then I will go to the settings, and it will open another window. In General tab, you can choose the language if you want to change, and rest I would say leave this setting as it is by default setting. So I'm okay with this setting. Next one is appearance, how this will appear. You can change the font size, you can change the density as well. And next one is stream, so I'm not going to use for streaming, so I'll leave that as. And then output, so output, I can see the recording. Recording path is important. Where do I want to save my final final recording file? So what I will do, I will select, for example, desktop. So I want to record my file, want to save my file on desktop. When it's ready, select folder. Then recording quality, I can change the quality from here, but I leave it as a high quality. Then recording format, I would say to use .mkv. So I usually use this formatting. Video encoder, audio encoder, just leave it as it is. And then go to the next option, which is audio. And I will leave all those settings as it is, so no need to change it. And then I would go to the next one option, video. Video, the what's the base resolution, so I can change it size from here, but I leave it as it is. And output resolution, what's your final file resolution, so I'm okay with this setting as well. And common FPS values, so I will select 29.97. Trust me, it helps me further in editing of video as well. Hotkey, I can define hotkey. For example, for start of recording, I can say F1. To press F1 is the start recording key, and F2, that's basically the stop recording key. I can use those hotkeys. Accessibility, so this is the option as leave as it is. And advanced, there are some advanced setting, but you don't really need it if you're just using for recording purpose. Yeah, so these were the settings. I can change it, and I will just apply button, plus OK. Now the setting has been applied. Let's start recording this file and see how it happens. And on right hand side, you can see start streaming, start recording. So I will hit start recording button, and it will start recording. This is my file, so this is the test recording file. I want to see how it records my screen and does it record my sound as well. So this is the file with the general questions. Tell me about yourself, why you're interested in this position. So this is the end of this test video. Yeah, so I stop the recording now, and file should have been on desktop at the moment. So I will go and check it. So let's minimize the files. And now you can see this file has been stored, and let's open this file and see. This is my file. So this is the test recording file. I want to see how it records my screen and does it record my sound as well. So this is the file with the general questions. Tell me about yourself, why you're interested in this position. So this is the end of this test video. Right, so this is the end of that test video. I'll close this file and go to the OBS Studio again. Yeah, so this is all about the settings, navigating within the OBS Studio, and how to use OBS Studio. Hit the like button if this video is helpful, and subscribe if you want to find out more useful information.